I don't understand. Is this some kind of desperate attempt to get back with Eli?
Of course not. He doesn't even know I'm here.
I'm sorry, but I'm at a loss as to why you think I, of all people, would want to help Eli with this.
You've always been fond of Eli. You would be racing to his defense right now if he hadn't broken up with me.
Perceptive.
I was seeing someone else. That's why we called off the wedding.
Your behavior would explain Eli hitting the bottle or turning in sloppy work. It doesn't explain singing in court or diving headfirst into the cake at your engagement party.
But he's angry. I think he's just acting out. Not only that, he was protecting me. And now he needs your protection.
I really appreciate this. I know things have been strained between us of late.
Well, I understand from Taylor that there were mitigating factors. As her father, I'm embarrassed on several levels.
I'm not sure I follow.
Excellent. That should expedite our dropping of the topic. You're taking the stand tomorrow. Obviously, you'll be called upon to account for your odd behavior these past 2 months.
How am I supposed to do that?
By not accounting for it.
Let's cut to the chase, Mr. Stone. We have an entire courtroom of witnesses who saw you singing during your opening argument in a Zaire Motors trial.
Since I highly doubt that outburst was legal strategy on your part, we'll have to obfuscate.
I can't admit or deny that it was part of my legal strategy without discussing my strategy, and I can't do that without violating privilege.
She won't let you hide behind attorney-client confidentiality.
What about the singing and dancing in your law firm? Or would that be confidential strategy as well?
What I do outside the attorney-client relationship isn't relevant to my fitness to practice law.
Miss Raines is an effective litigator, but her weakness is that she overreaches.
So you don't deny these outbursts?
And you have to trap her when she does.
I didn't know that singing was against the law. What else could I lose my license for? Playing the piano?
And once you've moved her out of position, you attack.
In the last 2 months, my trial record's been 3-1, winning over $15 million from my clients. If I'm unfit to practice law, maybe the lawyers I beat should be invited to your witch hunt.
Nicely done. By the way, you've seen Raines' witness list? Third up from the bottom.
Nathan Aaron Stone.
I'm sure this relates to your physical, which your brother signed off on last month.
Raines is just fishing.
Then you shouldn't have chummed the waters. It was foolish having your own brother examine you. Makes it appear you have something to hide.
Well, it's a good thing then that I don't.
Well, obviously that's a lie. Anyone who collects baseball cards knows that Jason Turk is on steroids.
Yes, Eli lied to you.
Which, believe me, he and I will be discussing very soon. For right now, however, I'm more concerned with your dishonesty.
I'm sorry, but I needed you to represent Eli, and I had to...
I'm not referring to the infidelity fantasy you concocted. I'm referring to the fact that you stood in this very office and told me Eli was in good health.
Are you serious? I love him, and he could die. Any minute, I could lose him.
You're an adult, and I expect there to be secrets between us. But for there to be dishonesty, I'm very disappointed in you.
Eli has been like a son to you. And it's like you don't even care that he could die. And you're disappointed in me.
I'm an idiot.
You in pain?
Excuse me?
Your aneurysm, does it cause you any physical discomfort?
No, sir.
I understand why you lied to me. I probably would have done the same thing in your position. But that doesn't change the fact that you kept secret a condition that could have exposed this firm to catastrophic malpractice suit.
I realize that.
I'm talking right now, Mr. Stone. I like being lied to only less than I appreciate my life's work being threatened by selfishness. I won't tolerate it within these walls. And I won't put my money in such a person's pocket.
You're firing me?
I can't fire you. Even if I could get around the language of the Keller settlement, I couldn't discharge the very attorney whose freedom to practice I so publicly championed. Bottom line, I'm obligated to keep employing you. What I'm not obligated to do is provide you with an office, an assistant, or a caseload. I'm not obligated to treat you with respect, and I'm not obligated to maintain a professional or personal relationship with you. We're done.